Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to open geodes. 10 geodes in here and a giant geode in this box. And remember, you have to use hammers for geodes. And remember to ask adult supervision first.
Okay, I ordered these on Amazon, so this is National Geographic.
And this is Discover with Dr. Science.
Discover with Dr. Science, gigantic geode.
This is our dog, Boomer. As you know, for his star video, Monster Under the Bed.
Unboxing.
Oh, that's big.
Oh. Hold it up here, let me see.
My brother's gonna crack this big one open.
If we can get it cracked open.
We'll try.
Alright, Corbin.
That's just hard.
You open your box.
Got tape.
Oh, you got tape on yours?
Yeah, don't worry.
Strong boys. Got hammers. Okay. There you go. Strong. Okay.
It feels like opening up a firework case.
Yep. It does. Ooh, that's cool.
Oh, it's just another box in there.
Yep, it's a box inside of a box.
A boxception. Box inside of a box.
So this is STEM, which stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics.
Includes 10 premium quality geodes, 1 pair of safety goggles, magnifying glass, 2 display stands.
Wait, but it only comes with 1 page.
1 learning guide.
Okay, open it up.
I'll
Can
go
you get
first.
it open?
I want to open the first one.
Yeah, babe. Boom. Magic.
Okay, we got the box open.
Magic.
Study guide. Goggles. Magnifying glass. I don't know what that is. And our geodes. Woo! Starring the video geodes. Woo!
Alright.
Okay, Corbin.
Let's get set up and we'll start breaking them open.
Go. Okay. I'm doing this geode first.
Here are all the geodes
No, Boomer,
before.
Let's
The
start.
giant one we'll do last.
Let's start from the smallest and work our way up.
No, I'm doing this one.
Addie wants to do that one first.
And then we'll do the smallest.
Oh, Boomer,
Can't lift
you
these.
gotta move, buddy.
No, stop. Okay.
Don't smack my fingers. Nice.
Pretty.
There's some geode crystal. Very pretty, you see.
Yes, indeed.
Oh, that one's like white looking.
Corbin, you choose one. Grandma, can you go, please?
See?
So that one, get
I'ma
the
get you-
little classification guide and,
I'm gonna get you.
oh no, Boomer's gonna eat the geode.
Maybe.
I'm gonna get you.
Wait, pause it.
Look at this beautiful one.
After the
It's
inconvenience,
the biggest one.
back after this short break. You're back.
So that was number 1. Addie. Okay, let's move it over.
It's really beautiful at a certain. It's not it.
The geode we cracked open was a quartz geode. It is the second most abundant mineral in
How do
the
you
earth.
know?
Quartz geode.
To compare.
How do you know?
Alright. Good job. On to the next one.
Do you next?
And it is the most common mineral.
The most common
Don't
mineral.
throw my gem.
Okay. Let me pick one to crack open.
Okay.
Let's crack open this pink one.
Okay.
I want to crack that one next. The pink one.
Be careful. Uh-oh. Oh, a little piece came off.
It's not.
Ah, that looks beautiful.
Oh,
Wait.
hang on. He's got to finish.
Ow. How to throw it on the
You're
ground?
thick-skinned, I
How
see.
to throw it?
I feel like you're gonna hurt yourself.
your juice has gone to your head before? No, let's like split.
Still didn't break. It's definitely a little spider there.
Kill it. I hate spiders. At least I'm wearing safety goggles.
Patience.
Why?
Okay, let's put that one to the side and we'll come back to it.
Apparently.
Pick another one, Corbin. I can hear Boomer
I'll
barking.
try
in
this
there.
one.
Okay.
This is in type of that, I think.
Oh!
Another quartz one.
Take it closer, look.
So it's quartz again.
It's
It
raining.
looks like
Look
It's
at this
snowing.
part. This part
it looks like white, kind of like diamonds.
It's snowing.
Look at that. Isn't that beautiful, guys?
Uh-huh. Very pretty.
It's snowing.
Mom. Dirt. Mommy.
What?
The dirt shaped it as a smiley face. Look.
Uh-huh. That is pretty. Okay, so it's going over here next to the other one.
Here, Corbin, give me the hammer.
Let me get the little
Pick one.
pieces.
Try crack open a pink one.
I am. See, I'm doing the big chunk.
All right, hold on.
Big chunk.
Pink one's soon to be
Okay.
white. Flying debris.
You probably need glasses on, Corbin.
I'm getting more progress done than Corbin was.
No.
Slowly,
No.
little pieces are coming out.
I think we need some assistance. Every time you smack it, I blink.
Those little pieces are coming off.
Let me hold it with my foot.
Okay, actually, that is a good plan.
Don't smack me on the foot though. Yeah.
Oh.
Oh.
Girls got straight. The littlest of pieces are coming
This
off.
is gonna be a
one by one.
1 hour video of us trying.
I know, right? It's like I have skin over all of it.
These big ones are hard. Maybe we need like a bigger hammer.
We do need a bigger hammer, but we don't have one.
Hammer!
A mallet would really be probably what you need. Oh!
That's
It's
cool.
everywhere.
I did it! Woo!
It looks cool. Hey, look at that piece. Pick it up.
It looks like a cavern inside. No, that's the one.
Oh, that's the one we
Corbin's.
couldn't bust.
Now look
Okay.
at this one.
This piece.
Whoa! That's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life. Besides you, because you're really pretty. Oh, it's mine to find glass right.
Oh wow, it's pretty. Is that some of it too? All right, what kind is this? Let's get the guide out.
Guys, look at that.
So pretty.
Okay, I'm gonna
Busting out the
This
guide.
look at this part,
Oh
guys.
guide.
Beautiful.
It is.
So those are. I've cracked two. We're gonna crack them again. Stick out.
It's glittery.
Tiny shards everywhere. This hurts.
Yeah.
I think
Hey, you
this
did a
is-
good job.
I think
Let's take this moment to throw in that you want to wear your safety gear. Addie has on her safety goggles.
tiny
And
pieces fly
always
everywhere.
have an adult.
This is druzy quartz,
Wait, guys, this real quick.
Oh yeah.
featuring tiny sparkling crystals. During the geodes formation, rapid cooling caused these tiny shimmering crystals to form over other minerals. Yeah, look.
Pretty.
In this one, you have this thin layer of brown stuff. Then you have the druzy quartz inside of this.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why it looks like a cavern inside of that one.
It does. It looks cool.
I'm
Okay.
I'm taking both of
There's plenty of pieces for y'all to each keep different pieces of
I'm
one.
keeping that one and that one.
Alright, Corbin, which one are you gonna do?
I'm keeping
I think I'm gonna do the small one.
Okay. Every time Corbin. Oh! It busted in two. What does it look like?
Whoa! It's cool. Investigation time. Oh, it looks cool.
I think that's just normal quartz right there.
Normal quartz. It's going for a big one. I'm kind of scared.
This is definitely giving me an arm exercise.
Yeah.
Honestly, I'm trying my hardest right now. I think I just heard Boomer.
Yeah, he's barking. Because he knows we're outside.
Yeah. Can't be like the pink
We
one.
definitely need a big hammer.
I could probably find one.
Oh!
Cool. I'm
It's
keeping this. I'm
beautiful.
keeping
Look at this one.
See?
I'm keeping that.
Those ones are bigger crystals. They're not like you see.
It's so pretty. They're tough.
Just grab the magnifying glass.
So sharp.
I'm keeping this piece. Look.
I haven't used the magnifying glass yet.
Don't complain.
Oh!
Shatter.
That went everywhere.
Here, let me investigate.
It doesn't really look like.
Here, let me see.
Hold on.
Or like, is it deeper in there?
It doesn't really look like, you know, shimmery or
Wait, Mom, I
anything.
found another piece of mine. I'll love a little more.
We both do.
Okay.
Mom can do the giant one.
No, we'll both try to do it. Careful, magnifying glass. I don't want you to break, even in your glass.
This is lovely. This is what good content is.
Oh! He's flew over here by me. Ooh!
Yes.
Pretty.
This one's sticking out.
Yeah, look how shiny.
Look at that sparkle when you move it back and
What
forth.
kind do you think that is? I feel like we're saying they're all quartz. Are they really all quartz?
I feel like
We have like one druzy quartz, and the rest is like normal quartz.
Are you sure?
except for this one. Remember
Let
this
us
one?
know if you're good at identifying the geodes. What you think these are?
And guys, don't forget, I am going to remind you 2 times. Subscribe, leave a like, and remember the thumbs up. Always do it. And
Oh!
don't hit my knees. My precious knees.
That one broke easy.
Get yourself in the game and act normal.
Piece of rock that smash you. Let me see here.
Oh, quiver.
That.
I guess the harder it shatters, the more crystal there is in it.
No crystals.
Yeah, this one just looks kind of normal. Like a rock.
It's weird because the pink one I opened looks like so cool.
Kill.
Totally cool.
If this one's hard to open, there has to be something cool inside it, I guess.
Wait, this is the one that you couldn't open?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm mastering this then.
Stand back.
This one better be good because it's taking too long to break. I know, right? Bro, it's like an unbreakable rock.
Yeah, it's like stuff's flying everywhere. It's not breaking open. the pink stuff out there.
Oh!
Eh,
Yeah, it doesn't look that great.
show the camera, Corbs.
Watch out for these.
That's like only like a little piece of
That's
crystal.
not even the camera.
Right
That's
there.
kind of cool, actually.
There we go. Doesn't really look like.
All that effort for.
I know, it's not shiny.
A few hits, then I'll try again.
It's the time you've been waiting for. The giant.
You get another 3 hits. It's like a game. Wait, this part
It's like pinata.
Okay, time to break it. This is the big giant geode, so I hope it breaks.
I am Thor. Hammer.
Hammer!
Abby.
I didn't hit it at the time.
Alright.
Chipping off the side. The crystal's starting to show already.
Go. You're a weirdo.
Getting weird.
Yep.
Poor man.
It almost hit my hand.
Yeah, we need like a hammer.
Yeah.
It's okay. I'll try one more.
Yeah. Make sure you don't let go of that hammer.
I'm gonna try throwing it up.
Alright.
Next, I'm just gonna slam it on the ground.
Oh! It busted!
Whoa! Ooh.
Oh, that's awesome!
I grabbed this piece.
That's so pretty.
I'm just playing this in my room.
I'm taking this one.
Let me look at it some more.
Time to decide which one you
Oh, look at it. You can see like down in there and whatnot. That's not really helping. I can't see. I can't see anything through that magnifying glass. It's so pretty.
Mom, I got a few little pieces. I want these ones. I want all these.
Alright, let's put all of our stuff together.
These are the ones I want.
Check it out.
Can I use that one? Or at least that one.
Yeah, because this one's my favorite. You can also, do you want this one too? You can have this one. Okay, this is my collection. This is my favorite, which I'm going to split. Let's go.
Okay.
I think that was successful.
I love that big
Could we break
one.
this into one more
So
piece?
pretty. I don't think so. I think it looks pretty like that.
That's going to my room.
Don't you think? I'm scared we'll mess it up if we break it again. Okay, guys. Well,
Mommy. I'm going to bring a few pieces.
Don't forget. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and
Hit the bell. Hit that bell. Gonna hit that bell.